Okay, I own a hammer drill, but this hammer drill that I have, not cutting it. I went and got myself it's called a rotary hammer, and you can, you want to save a lot of time and energy. This is a good purchase. I just want to show you a little demonstration here. First of all, this bit will not be accepted by this hammer drill. You need one of these. You can see the difference. One's bigger, this one. So you're going to use this one. Let me show you how to load it. You pull down on it, put the bit inside, push down and turn. There, it's locked. Okay, I'm going to show you drilling into this concrete. You always want to use your ear protection. And here we go. Not too much effort. Now, take it out, slide it down, pull the bit out. It also chips, same way. Put the bit in, let go, and then I'm gonna show you how to chip a little. But I have another setting. You don't want it to turn. You wanted to put it on the hammer. Just want to give you a demonstration how this rotary hammer works. I think it's a good buy. Okay, so.